Aloha guys, this is Joan Haney, also known as the Prepper Mom. Just wanted to share a hint with you how you can have happy chickens. Ours have gone on strike. Basically, the egg production dropped a ton. I was giving them sprouts, went on a trip, came back, didn't have my son give them sprouts while I was gone for a week, and the egg production dropped again. Same as it was before I started giving them sprouts. And we've got super cold weather now, bunch of snow. So during the winter, this really helps supplement your chicken's feed by feeding them sprouts. So real quick, how to do that. We buy grain in bulk. And as you can see, this grain is livestock quality or not for human. And it has a bunch of husk or holes in it, and is not super clean. So I just wanted you to see exactly what it's like. So I'll just come in and take this out, let this soak overnight for 24 hours, and then in the morning I'll drain this off. And this is what the sprouts look like after they've soaked. This is day 2. So you can see there I'm sprouting really, really good. And you guys, just so you know, a grain when it's sprouted, it has more nutrition in it at that time than it will at any time of its life. Okay, so on day 3, this is what your sprouts are looking like. I'll feed most of this probably tomorrow, and that's why I went ahead and started another batch. So every second or third day, I start soaking my grain. And then 3 times a day, you're going to want to put it in, fill the bowl up with water or cover the grain again, and then drain it 3 times a day. And that's how you're going to get awesome sprouts. And we have 18 Rhode Island red hens. And let's see, this was in January, first part of January, we were getting maybe 10, 11 eggs a day. Well, when we started feeding sprouts, within a week or so, the egg production jumped up to 15. We even had 17 eggs one day. So that's really, really good during the winter. And we do keep a heat lamp on them as well. So anyway, just a quick, not only are sprouts good for you, but they're good for your chickens. And it makes them happy. And hopefully ours will start producing be back up to production, having 16, 17 eggs again in a couple days. So y'all take care, God bless, and keep on prepping.